Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chicken steamed roast. Let's begin. Here I've taken 7 to 8 pieces of chicken in a dish. I have washed it and made few cuts in it so that all the spices enters into the chicken nicely. For marination, I have taken 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and 1 teaspoon of salt. In separate bowl, I have taken 2 tablespoon of curd, 2 tablespoon of lemon extract and 1.5 teaspoon of chicken masala. Here I have taken some garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of vinegar and salt and some water. Now I am adding some water in the paste and stirring it. Then adding the vinegar and salt into the liquid and stirring it once more so that the salt dissolves properly. Now into this solution, I am putting all the chicken pieces and leaving it to soak for at least 45 minutes. I am whipping the curd and pouring it in a separate dish. Into it, I am adding the lemon extract and stirring it once more. Now I'll add all the spices one by one and make a smooth paste out of it. The paste is almost ready, but still I will stir it once more so that no lumps remain. I have drained out the excess water from the chicken. Now I will pour the paste gradually. Now I am tossing the chicken pieces into the spices nicely so that it becomes tender and juicy. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of olive oil into the chicken pieces and tossing it once again. I have taken 1 chopped green chili and few chopped coriander leaves, which I am putting it into the chicken and leaving it to marinate for 45 minutes. The chicken pieces have been well marinated. Now I will keep all the chicken pieces in the foil paper one by one. I will use the leftover spices for a different recipe. I have placed a pressure cooker container in the oven and I have put 1 cup of water, and now I am putting a strainer in the cooker. Now I am covering all the chicken pieces with the foil paper and placing it in the strainer. I am again covering the strainer with the foil paper to make sure the steam doesn't go out. I am keeping a lid on it and placing a heavy weight on top of it. Let the chicken steam for about 30 minutes. Half an hour is over. Let's see whether the chicken pieces have been steamed or not. You have to be very careful while opening the lid. As you can see, the vapor is coming out and it's too hot. So I am removing the foil paper with a tongue. All the chicken pieces have been well steamed and I'll keep them aside for few minutes. Now I am placing a frying pan in the oven. I am putting 1 teaspoon of oil in it. I am frying the chicken pieces in low to medium heat for 2 minutes to give them color. The pieces have turned brown and is slightly fried. And has already become soft from inside. Now I will again steam the pieces for 5 minutes. I'll cover the strainer with the foil paper once again. The chicken steamed roast is ready to serve.